I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half-Baked Hair Reviews. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Outre Perfect Hairline Crush unit, and I got it in the color S430. This is what the box looks like. It is a 13 by 6 frontal with 6-inch deep lace parting and ear-to-ear soft Swiss lace. The hairline comes pre-plucked, and this is what the back of the box is looking like. So let's take it out of the box and see what it looks like. So straight out of the box, this is what it looks like. It's very long. Going around the front of the head, you can see that it's pre-plucked, and it also comes with baby hairs. The inside of the cap construction, it has 2 combs near the ears. It has one of these bands inside. It also has a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps. So let's put it on and see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like with the lace still on. I do like the hairline. And right now I have the adjustable straps on the tightest setting. That mixed with the band seems like it's fitting my head very snug, but this does seem like a unit that could be small, medium, and big head friendly. But I do like the fact that they have that band in there for the extra security, especially for the girls with the smaller heads that may not necessarily feel like the bigger head units fit them snug. I feel like this is fitting me very well, so that's a plus. The texture it's a mix of silky and yucky, so it doesn't feel like silky where it's like it's not gonna last that long and like doll hair or something like that. It's definitely a good mix between silky and yucky, so it definitely is mimicking that human hair type vibe. Right now, just running my fingers through it, I'm not getting any combing and any shedding, so that's really good. So what I'm going to do now is just cut the lace off and see if we can get a couple styles going. guys, so as you saw, this is a very versatile unit. I like it a lot. I like the fact that with all those styles that I did, I didn't get, I literally didn't get any tangling or any shedding at all. I know it's fresh out of the box, but that's always a good sign when even when you first get it, there's no tangling or shedding. So you're definitely able to easily manipulate this unit without many problems. It's very easy. Probably the hardest part about this unit was to get the baby hairs to lay down. It wasn't too bad, but that would probably just be the hardest thing that you have to deal with this. But I do like it a lot. I like the fact that I was able to do so many styles so easily. So let me just give you one length check. So this is everything to the front, and it goes just about to my belly button, which is right here. The more you kind of play with it, comb out the curl some, it does give you a thicker density. I like this density a lot. It may come off as seeming a little bit thin, but it feels very natural and it doesn't feel thin at all. I'm not a person who's a fan of the thin hair, so I feel like this is definitely a really nice density. It's a mix between natural and medium density. So this is to the side. And this is everything to the back. Yeah, so I definitely do like this unit a lot. I love the pre-plucked hairline and the parting space. It definitely makes it so you can get a lot of looks out of this, and that's one of the things I look for when I look for go-to frontal units. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Thank you for checking out this video. If you like what you saw, just give me a like, give me a subscribe. I hope to see you guys again. But until then, thanks. Bye.